Hi everybody, in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can record on your iPhone 14 series device. So, if by recording on your iPhone you mean to record the sound, the quickest, easiest, and in my opinion most convenient way to do that is by using the default Voice Memo iOS app. So just find it on your iPhone. You can either find it in the search by typing in the voice memos, or find it among the apps on your home screen, or locate it in the app library. But usually I suppose those kind of apps are being automatically placed by Apple into the home screen folder that has the name of utilities. It also contains compass, measure, tool, and calculator. But if you would like to record sounds or record voices or your own voice, at last, Voice Memos is the app that we are looking for. So let's enter it. And in here, all that you need to do to start the record is to tap on this red circle. And from now, the record will be successfully started. From here, if you would like to finish it, just tap on this red square. And now you'll be able to access your recording, your newly created recording. You can copy, share it, edit, duplicate, mark it as favorite, move to some custom folder, create a quick note, save to files, and what's not. You can also adjust its playback speed, decide to skip the silence, and enhance recording with some inbuilt iOS, effects for the sound improvements, should I say. As you can see, it is being played right now. From here, if you would like to finish it, just like so. My volume was muted, so yeah, I had to increase it in order for us to hear the actual recording. And if you would like to remove or delete any of the sound recording you have, just tap on this trash bin. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.